In an exclusive interview with NNIS, senior DMK leader T.K.S. Elangovan lashed out at the AIDMK government, saying that the government does not care about the people of Tamil Nadu. He alleged that the government has a mysterious plan and they are buying power from a private company.
Definitely, it is something which there is no electricity. People are suffering. Industries are going out. There is no need for them to increase electrical bill. It is with the government to subsidize, and I think they have a mischievous plan. 3,330 megawatts of power they are purchasing from a private party, and the agreement was MOU was signed for 15 years, which means they are not interested in the people. They are interested only in the kickbacks. I can blame them. I can charge them.
Talking about the Jan Dhan Yojana launched by the NDA government, Elangovan said that the scheme will be successful only if it is launched in English and the regional language Tamil because no one in the state understands Hindi.
It cannot be. It cannot be. If what the Prime Minister said in his Independence Day speech, everybody wants to open a bank account, a zero account as he called. His scheme, Jan Dhan scheme. The people of the regional language, they are not, all people are not educated. They know only their own mother tongue. So, it should be both in English, mother tongue, maybe because they call it an official language, or Hindi need not be there in Tamil Nadu particularly. There is no need for Hindi. Nobody knows Hindi. Why should they learn Hindi? I mean, they have a very rich language of their own. So, English and regional language will be the best idea. I think the government will think sensibly. If they want to promote their Jan Dhan scheme in a successful way, they should think sensibly and use only English and the regional language in all bank challans.
Powered by NNIS.